Hello, my dear friends. So, do you speak with yourself most of the time? So, you are not speaking in front of you, in front of your family members, as well as you can practice with Chat GPT. You can speak based on any topic, just like entertainment. If we do entertainment, for instances, I would like to express here my thought, my views, as well as so this is the good thing for us. And I would like to speak about entertainment. Entertainment is it's beneficial for our life. If we speaking, we do most of the time entertainments with our family members, with our friends, so it is very beneficial for our life. We should be happy most of the time with entertainment, so it is affected of our life. It is also very precious. It's very essential role play in our life. So everyone has different type of hobbies, different type of choices. We do our work according to our human mindset, according to our human intelligence, so it gives us many influence of our life. So we are human, we have both of us everything, and if we would like to express most of the time with happily, with loyalty, with it is crucial role play in our life. So all people, those are very essential role play in our life. So we should be happy, we should be cool and calm, and most of the time if we share our thought with our friends, and we laugh, there is no need we are facing any problems, we are facing any difficulties during the living in this land, in this earth. So all people, those are very affected by the others, by the all human being. So we should have this tragedy, this life it is also very it is also very precious. We don't think much more most of the time about our life. And if we good use our time, if we good use or at all surrounded ourselves and surrounded our people, those are very good at English, those are very good at drawing, those are very good at dancing as well. And any few people, all children, those are very careful towards on playing. And if few student, they would like to play match football, cricket, and they had created this habit because they have focus. So it is also similarly, we speak with our friends, with our family members, and if we are doing another work, so during the do that work we can make also some sentence. It is based off our life, there is no matter it would be sensual or not, but it's very beneficial for our life. It is also very crucial role play in our life. Everyone has different type of mindset, different type of ideas. So we should be prepared of all challenge, all life, and whatever, whenever, until unless we give our effort, our try over and over again. So also people, they do implement good information, good confirmation in their life. So they have this advice, this choices, this contentment, this information. So all people, they have this type of idea and they earn money. And a few people, they do just like I would like to speak about atmosphere. If we go outside, we see any greenery, any different type of foods, different type of people, different type of greenery. So we don't feel exhausted, we feel like to cool and calm, and it gives us nature. So we should be feel very fine, very fluent, and very this is good information, this is good information, so we should be cool and calm. This is essential role play in our life. So all people, those are very fine, those are very good at any language, those are trainer, they have become successful person in their life. So it is the also essential role play, it is crucial role play in our life. So everyone has different type of mindset, different type. So we should be speak based on chat gpt, and we can make frame any sentence based on chat gpt. Chat gpt, it is a very multiple impact of our life. So we should be impactful, we should be just like crucial role play in our life. So we are very fine, we are very good at any another language, any other circumstances. So we feel we don't feel shy during the during the do any work. This is very good role play in our life. It is also very impactful of our life. And nowadays in my side also, they this is very hot season. We can make also in this way sentence. Today it was very hot day, and I felt very hot summer outside environment as well as inside my home as environment. So this is also, it was difficult for me. I have spent my whole day with my family members, but I can't describe here. It was very difficult for me, and I'm making my video, but I don't have proper guidance. But we do some mistake. Don't afraid or mistake, because it is also part of learning. It is part of our life. So we should be hopeful. We should be optimistic. We should not go pessimistic way. Pessimistic, it is not good path of our life. All people, they are very beneficial of their life. Those are very crucial role play in our life. So we should be hopeful, and most of the time there is nothing, we don't think it is bad situation, it is good situation. So it is a bad idea. So we should be hopeful. Every person has different type of curiosity. So if we have curiosity, we know each and every step of ourself, of our life. It is also short way, and we have this type of idea. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it.